Hi, Peng. You don't know, sorry kayo o medyo naiwit ko sila yung show record pero by the way, Peng, happy 18th birthday. Peng, as far as I remember now, murag classmate man dyan ta siguro since grade 1, I think. Grade 1 to 4th year, classmate ta. So, kana siya nga experience, dili na siya lalim, di ba? And to meet a person like you is one of the greatest thing that happened to my life, Peng. And wish lang ako sa mong birthday no is more blessings to come and God bless you and your family as well. Just focus on your study, kanang uyab-uyab ayo sana kana na pag kumana to eskwela na to. Eskwela sa una, di ba? Tapos kanang mga ingana ayaw sana aside sana kay mahuman tapuhon. Dira na kinugan na kanila. Always remember, ikaw ang pinaka-sexy na ko classmate, ang pinaka-gwapa. Peng, I love you so much and that's all. Thank you. Bye.